welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news trends. I'm your host Rene Guptan, and we have got some exciting stories to dive in today. So let's get started. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt recently struck controversy by suggesting that remote work hurt Google's ability to compete with the OpenAI. Speaking at Stanford University, Schmidt claimed that Google's emphasis on work-life balance, including remote work, led to the company's falling behind in the AI race. He criticized the company's decisions to allow employees to work from home, stating that it hindered their competitiveness against startups. Schmidt remarks, which were later removed from Stanford YouTube channel at his request, sparked debate. The Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has proposed new regulation requiring investment advisors and research analysts to disclose their use of AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. SEBI aims to enhance the transparency and protect investor interest, highlighting concerns over data security and the potential risk of a unintended data exposure. Under the proposed rules, clients must be informed about the extent of AI usage investment decisions, enabling them to make informed choices. SEBI is also considering a closed ecosystem for fee collection to prevent fraud and ensure funds are directed to legitimate entities. Elon Musk X has launched Grok 2 and Grok 2 Mini in beta, with Grok 2 offering enhanced reasoning and new image generation capabilities. Currently available on a Premium and a Premium Plus user, these AI models are designed to improve chat, coding, and reasoning on the X platform. XAI Musk AI venture announced that both models will soon be available to developers via to enterprise API. While Grok's image generation feature is popular, its lack of guardrails around creating images of a political figures has raised concerns, especially with the upcoming US presidential election. The companies may face pressure to implement restrictions on these features as the election approaches. Before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you enjoyed this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top for all things tech. Here, why you should subscribe. IT Voice is a one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from the pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startup changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, stay ahead of the curve, and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. Ola Cab has unveiled a bold vision of transforming India's digital commerce through its new Ola consumer platform. At Sankalp 2024 event, Ola announced a partnership with the Open Network for a Digital Commerce (ONDC) and plans to introduce AI-powered shopping assistant, automated warehousing, and electric logistics with a fleet of 1 lakh 2-watt EVs. Ola's consumer will also offer personal loans via Ola Credit and collaboration with Tata Capital and Incred. It enables UPI payments through Ola Pay. Additionally, Ola is enhancing its ride-hailing services by expanding its EV fleet, relaunching Ola's share of affordable ride-sharing, and introducing a loyalty program. Fractal has introduced Avaidya.ai, India's first multi-modal medical LLM design and asset with a diagnostic, treatment, and medical advice. Fine-tuned on open source model with 30 to 70 billion parameters. Vaidya is trained on over 650,000 images and 2 lakh text inputs, supporting languages like Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, and Telugu. CEO Shrikant Velamkani stressed that Vaidya is intended to offer reliable healthcare information, not replace doctors. Currently a research project, Vaidya has achieved 83% accuracy in tests using PG NEET exam questions, placing it on par with the top candidates. OpenAI has expressed concerns that its AI realistic voice feature could lead to people bonding with the bots over humans. The company cited research suggesting that the human-like interaction with AI may foster misplaced trust and weaken human relationships. Testers have reportedly shown emotional attachment to the AI, raising alarms about the potential long-term effect. OpenAI also noted that AI deferential behavior could influence social norms and make users overly reliant on technology. Automatic owner of WordPress.com has introduced a Write Brief with AI, a new tool designed to enhance the blog readability and clarity. This AI assistant, available in a beta through Jetpack on WordPress.com, help users streamline their existing content by suggesting simpler sentence structures and identifying overuse of complex or uncertain language. It also provides a readability score based on complexity, sentence length, and confidence. This tool follows automatic previous AI writing assistant, which assist with the content creation and tone adjustment. That's all for this week AI Digest. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We'd love to hear your thoughts and these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and well, see you next time on IT Voice.